Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back again to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Kemei 2293 professional hair trimmer. This is a budget-friendly trimmer and it has been getting lots of attention online. So we're going to be seeing today what you actually get in the box and do a quick review of this trimmer, okay? So yeah, let's do it. On the first glance, just taking a look at the box, shows has a full alloy metal body. It's a professional T-blade, and it claims you can use up to 180 minutes usage time, and it's also USB rechargeable as well. You can find all this information on the box, and the box actually looks very nice. It comes in various colors as well, so you can check it out. So let's unbox, okay? I'll just set that there. Comes with a golden box here, so I'll take off this cover and just put that there nicely. The first thing that pops up is the trimmer itself. Comes up with the trimmer itself. You also have some instructions manual. It comes with a Type-C charging USB cable. Comes with a brush, cleaning brush, as well as some guide combs. Comes with 3 guide combs, and that's pretty much everything in the box. So looking at the clipper itself, it actually feels very solid in my hand, and it's actually heavier than the plastic trimmer, so that's actually a bonus. The previous 2299 was a plastic, but this is a 2293. It's actually heavier than the 2299 for sure. You can see it also comes with a digital battery display, which I'm going to test very soon. And it comes with a protective cap as well. The blade is actually a T-blade. It's a T-blade, which is very useful for doing some close lineups, edging, and detailing. On the side, it comes with a flick on and off switch on the side. So I'm going to be taking this off now. You can see the power remaining display comes up. I have 70% remaining. The power is very heavy. Feels solid in the hand. It's already zero gapped, so it's good. So yeah, that's it. So join me in my second video where I'm going to be doing a deep dive. I'll be testing this professional trimmer. Is it worth the hype? So let's find out. Thanks for joining.